Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a custom status on Slack. A custom status helps your teammates quickly understand your availability, whether you're in a meeting, stepping away, or focusing, so messages and expectations stay clear. Start by opening Slack. You can be in any channel or direct message. The specific conversation doesn't matter for this task. Look to the bottom left corner of the Slack window for your profile area. You'll see your name and avatar there. Click that profile section to open your profile menu. In the menu that appears, choose Update Your Status. This opens the status editor. Here you can pick from suggested options or write your own. If you just need something quick, select a suggested status. Slack will apply the associated emoji and, if it's set, a default duration so the status can clear automatically. Choosing a duration is useful because it prevents outdated statuses from lingering after your schedule changes. If the suggestions don't match how your team works, look for the option to edit suggestions. Clicking this opens your workspace's customized page in your browser, where you can adjust the preset status options that people see. On that page, edit the sample suggestions to better reflect your team's common scenarios, like in a meeting, out for lunch, or on vacation. For each one, you can choose an emoji and a short, clear message. Keep the wording concise so it's easy to scan in channels. Depending on your workspace's settings, only certain roles may be able to change these shared suggestions. When you're happy with the updates, click Save. Your new or revised suggestions are now available for everyone who can use them. Return to Slack, open your profile menu again. Select Update Your Status, and choose one of the suggestions you just set up. Confirm the duration, and you're done. Your status will show next to your name and messages, in the member list, and in search results, helping colleagues know the best way and time to reach you. A few quick tips as you use statuses. Pick emojis that are easy to recognize at a glance. Avoid sharing sensitive details in the text, and set an end time whenever possible. If your plans change, you can clear or update your status from the same profile menu in a couple of clicks. That's it. You've created and customized statuses in Slack, making communication smoother for you and your team.